some recommended YouTube shorts, where we will find our watched YouTube shorts history, though is over here. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your YouTube Shorts history. Okay, so hello again, I'm Kim, and this video is going to be pretty short and simple, so I'm going to be needing your 100% attention so that we won't be wasting any of our time here, okay? Without further ado, let's get into the subject matter. Sorry. So first thing you need to do is, of course, we need to head over to our YouTube app. I'm already here, and already LinkedIn is already showing itself, but no, I'm not gonna use that. So here are some YouTube shorts that I have watched, not really, some recommended YouTube shorts, where we will find our watched YouTube shorts history, though is over here at you on the bottom right corner of your screen. You press on that, and now you head over to not here on history. Now that might look tempting. You might think that, oh, that's it, but no, that's not it. What you need to do is to go over here to the gear icon on top right, and then you go over to manage all history over here, and then now what you will find is your history. So as you can see, these are some videos that I have watched. I'm just gonna keep it censored because I have watched some stuff that, you know, might be a bit too, you know, not safe for young audiences. So what you can do is I'm just gonna show like one video here. What you can do is you can delete the history of each video one by one. You cannot delete like all of like the history for your YouTube shorts, because there's no such thing like that. There are no sorting organizing technology within the history of your YouTube shorts content. And so what you need to do, you can just delete these histories one by one, blah blah blah. But if say there are like this few days where you watch these videos, or like YouTube videos where maybe you just watch YouTube shorts, then what you can also do is you go here over to delete. You can see this delete custom range here, and you can choose the date that you watch custom shorts and until what date did you watch custom shorts. But then that would be too weird, but it's up to you. So yeah, you just write in the date, then just go next, and then you can just go through the same process all over again, and it will delete everything within that range. So that's it. That is how you can delete the YouTube Shorts history on your account. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.